So give me your price target for 2027. And are you feeling good about the pound?
No.
Have you heard of Bitcoin?
Yeah.
You got some?
Nah.
But I'm not.
Buy the dip.
I did not buy the dip. I'll buy the next one.
Is that why he's your ex?
Immoral cash grab by people who manipulate social media to take money off of poor and gullible folks.
What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency.
Good. Have you ever bought any?
I have.
Okay, you're a fan?
No.
No, you've bought some, but you're not a fan. Go on, tell me.
I think it's a immoral cash grab by people who manipulate social media to take money off of poor and gullible folks.
Wow, okay. So why did you buy it?
Because it was interesting when it first came out and I saw the opportunity, but then I've seen the greed and avarice and dickheadery that's followed it.
Okay, so you bought it a while back, did you?
Yeah, years ago.
And what about yourself? Have you got any?
No, I don't have comments.
No.
Hey.
Yeah.
No, I don't have comments for this one.
Have you heard about Bitcoin in the news?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Good things, bad things?
Yeah, good teams. For me, it's good. Yeah.
Yeah, for you it's good, for you not. Okay.
No, for me, it's
Am I going to change your mind or not?
unlikely. I've read everything there is to read. I understand why people are excited, but I think it's probably a net force for bad in the world as opposed for good.
Okay. And so does that mean you think the price is going to zero, or do you think it could keep going
I
up?
think it's going to stay going up and down as long as people can make money out of it. It'll go up and down.
Okay. So what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be in 5 years from now?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. What is it today?
20, 25, 30 maybe.
Yeah, it's about £20,000, isn't it, or dollars? Yeah. Cool. I appreciate your time. Thanks very much.
Cheers.
Thanks for that. Have you ever bought any?
Yes.
You own some? Good. We've got one Bitcoiner. What about you?
No, I don't know.
No?
Any. No.
But you know about it?
Yeah.
Okay. What have you heard about it?
That it's a really brand new kind of currency that's going around at the moment. So, and people are actually using it in America and other countries, I think.
Yeah, it's true actually. It's used more in other countries than it is here.
Yeah.
So you've bought some. How come you bought some? Like, what got you into it in the first place?
Don't know. It's spreading my assets.
Yeah, you're diversifying your investments, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
And I only invested what I was prepared to lose, so win-win.
If you don't mind me asking, when did you buy Bitcoin? Like, roughly how many years or months have you been into it?
2 years ago?
2 years ago. So like 2020. Okay, nice. Okay.
Longer then, yeah, before COVID.
And what is the problem for the people who don't already know? Like, what's the problem that Bitcoin is trying to solve? Like, why does Bitcoin exist?
Wasn't it to try and buy products that are untraceable, or you can't trace the payment through?
That was one of the first use cases, yeah, that was one of the first use cases, but it was created also to kind of put a hard cap on the money supply. So I expect you know this, but how many Bitcoin are there in total in the world?
I don't know.
Okay. There's a fixed supply of 21 million, right? So it means that they can't, be debased or inflated like our currencies are. Bitcoin, are you a fan?
Not really, no.
Why not?
It's just a bit up and down, isn't it, really?
It is a bit up and down. What about you?
Well, I've tried it out. Didn't do very well, so just forgot about it. I think I still have a bit, but I'm not.
Buy the dip.
I did not buy the dip. I'll buy the next one.
Fair enough. What about yourself?
Yeah, I lost a bit. I lost quite a lot of money. Well, not a lot, but like a couple £100 in Bitcoin as well. But I think the idea is quite good, like deregulated, like finance or whatever. I think like the crypto world in the long run is probably going to be, well, like boom or whatever and go up. But obviously at the moment, it's not great.
What's your confidence in the pound at the moment? Are you feeling good about the pound?
No.
No. So you want to buy something else, right? You don't want to hold pounds, do you?
Yeah.
What's the price of Bitcoin today?
Last time I checked, it was like 16k.
Yeah, about 16,000, 17,000 pounds, right? And what do you think the price is going to do in the next, say, 5-10 years from now? Any ideas?
Well, I was hoping it was going to get to 100, but who knows?
Okay, 5 years from now, 2027 October, what's the price?
25k.
25k. So it's going to go up a little bit, but not too much.
Yeah.
So give me your price target for 2027.
It's tough to say, but I reckon it'll go back to 60,000 where it was like a couple months ago or whatever. But it depends on the other cryptocurrencies and all that sort of stuff, you know.
Yeah, fair enough. So you've got some Bitcoin. You've dabbled in some, maybe.
I still have a bit, not much, but I think at the moment I prefer to put my money into like more traditional stocks and like index funds, where I can kind of see its progress over like a long period of time. Something that, you know, I feel has got more stable returns. But I think it's also smart to have a percentage if you are going to save, to put a percentage into crypto. So probably going forward, I'll put like maybe 20% of whatever I'm going to invest into crypto, and then the rest into probably just my index fund, which I find easier to manage. I don't have to stress about it as much.
I think that's wise. Yeah.
So basically, you have to invest in it, and then if you keep on investing it in the future, you might get rich from it.
Yeah, it's better money, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much is one Bitcoin today? Do you know?
1 billion.
A billion pounds
Yeah.
Not one.
for one.
I think like 10k or so.
It's about Bitcoin. Okay.
Oh, I know.
Anything.
What is Bitcoin?
I have no idea. Like, I've heard of it, but
Online money or something like that.
Online money. Yeah.
So currency.
It's a cryptocurrency. Yeah. Have any of you ever bought any?
no.
No.
You've got friends that have, family?
No.
No, I don't think so.
My ex-boyfriend used to really, was really into that, but...
Is that why he's your ex?
But maybe, no. No, I didn't really know much about it.
Fair enough. Yeah. What's the price of one Bitcoin today? Any idea?
No. £10.
£10 for one.
I have no idea, like £40?
Is there about £18,000 for one?
Sorry?
Yeah, about £18,000 for one.
One Bitcoin.
Yeah. Like they used to be free, but and then they were trading for like $1, $10. Now they're like a lot of money. Do you know like why Bitcoin exists?
No. Not really.
No clue. So you've like asked the wrong group of people. We have no idea.
No, it's good. I'm trying to get like a general impression of just random people on the street. So it's great to ask people who, you know, from all walks of life. I'll give you the 1 minute on what Bitcoin is, okay? Basically, it's really hard money that you can't debase, you can't print more of. The reason it's gone up in value is because there's a fixed amount and you can't make more of them. So pounds, euros, dollars, yen, you make more and more, which makes your pounds worth less. Whereas Bitcoin, there's a fixed amount, which is why they go up in price. Okay, so it's kind of like better money, basically, harder money. Yeah.
Kind of interesting.
I didn't realise that the expert would be over there.
It's alright.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Bye.
Have a nice day.